So if you take a look at the value retail roundup for Q3, Bazaar Style Retail's earnings will be tomorrow, but we'll talk about the update that they had given in Q3. Other than that, V-Mart, Vishal Mega Mart, V2 Retail have come out with their numbers, and like Trent has also mentioned in its press release, the constant story here is that because Durga Puja was shifted from Q3 to Q2 this year, the base effect was higher in last year, and that is why the growth has been slightly muted when it comes to overall top line also and like-for-like growth also. For V-Mart, the revenue was up about 10%. For Vishal Mega Mart, it was up about 17%. V2 Retail has outperformed the entire segment here, about a 57% uptick. The net profit has also seen healthy growth, and in fact for V2 Retail, it has doubled on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA growth continues for all these three companies as well. Margins, yes, a little bit of moderation coming in the margins, but they've continued to hold up for all the three companies. The same-store sales growth for V-Mart was flat, Vishal Mega Mart 6.1% and 2% for V2 Retail. So yes, this is somewhere where we're seeing signs of little mutedness. Store openings 23 for V-Mart, 29 for Vishal Mega Mart and 35 for V2 Retail. But if you compare this at an overall level, total store count stands at 554 for V-Mart, 771 for Vishal and 294 for V2 Retail. This is much of course lower than the stores that Zudio has with itself right now. That's more than 800 stores. That's 854 to be precise for the number of Zudio stores. And just quickly touching upon Bazaar Style Retail's Q3 update, the revenue is expected to go up by 13%, but the hampering factor here is going to be the same-store sales growth because they had reported a negative 14% number for their SSSG for Q3 and total store count at 252. Compare with this with the Zudio element of Trent, yes, these numbers are slightly weaker, but if you take the like-for-like growth here, at least we've seen a little bit of an uptick barring Vishal Mega Mart, which has been absolutely flat for Zudio. So yes, that is the comparison when you talk about some of the value retail players, but yes, Bazaar style earnings will be tomorrow.